I was recently gifted this high pressure washer, and I have need of it today because I do have some car mats as well as the patio to be able to power wash. And just a couple things about it. I'll also then show you the actual power washing and then show what it looks like outside, just right out of the box. So first of all, you do have a nice handy dandy holder for the actual application part of it. You do have 4 types of nozzles, 1, 2, 3, and then I've got number 4 on in there. And that adjusts to how intense you want the spray, whether you want it to be very focused and strong or do a wider spray if you're like washing a car or something like that. What I also do like about this is in the back, it has a spot to be able to hold detergent if you want to be able to attach this to it to be able to get soap if you're washing something that you want soap versus just rinsing it off. So what I'm going to do is I do have it attached to the hose as well as plugged into the outlet, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, I just turned down the water. It's plugged in. Now we turn it on. And here we go. Very powerful. Now let's see what it's like on the car. Just shut it off there. Thumbs up. Right out of the box, you have easy to assemble things. You'll see the nozzles, you'll see the hoses, and you do have some screws, so you'll need a screwdriver, but that's it. Everything's laid out nicely for you in the directions. Extremely easy to put together, no problem at all. So if you're looking for a high pressure washer that is easy to assemble, has the 4 different nozzles for the different stream size, as well as easy storage, as you can see, very lightweight, I highly recommend.